पहिले सारखे तो बरं गुडिया सारखी होऊन द्या.
Good decision, madam. Joining NCP.
दुसरी वस्तू घाल मरे दर आहे बसले दर इथे नाही. If there is alliance, we will seriously counter on 776. If there is no alliance, we have a candidate in every constituency. That's what I want to say. But option open door nahi. I want my everybody or everyone who are like a candidate, they should start the work. आम्ही पहिले सुरुवात एक सांगत असले की आम्ही ही आमची नॅशनलिस्ट काँग्रेस वाडोवपाक आम्ही मुखार वयतले आनी वचत आहा म्हणून. आयज नॅशनलिस्ट काँग्रेस पार्टीन एंट्री आमच्या ZP member by Nelly Rodriguez आयज आमच्या नॅशनलिस्ट काँग्रेस पार्टीन भितर सरल्या. तशेंच आमचो विन्सेंट रॉड्रिक्स भाव जो ह्या पॉलिटिक्सान जायतीं वर्सां आहा आनी काम करीत आयला. भाव विन्सेंट रॉड्रिक्स आयज आमच्या नॅशनलिस्ट काँग्रेस पार्टीन भितर सरला.
If you look in the last 5 years GVP, they have hardly done anything to strengthen the party, and Mickey himself told me he may not contest on the GVP and he would form a new party. So I was looking out for options.
So it is up to Congress to decide how to go about in the ensuing elections, because people are looking out for the Congress party and the NCP party to come together and the like-minded parties to come together and to form the next government.
I said Congress should take a serious note of the happenings in NCP and come out clear on alliance. We have been time and again making offers to them, going with the mercy, yes, and we are doing in the larger interest of democracy. We don't want these communal forces to sit on the head of those now.